Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying a completely different product on my car. It's something I haven't used before and it's something I'm quite interested to try. So I had a friend recommend to me to try some boat wax or some airplane wax on my car. Ryan ordered me some wax which on the back says that it can be used on marine, aircraft and automotive finishes. So I'm assuming I can use it on my car still, but it is really for boats and aircrafts like airplanes or helicopters or whatever. I thought it'd be really interesting to try out on my Audi. As you know, the Audi has just been wrapped and I have been wanting to put some wax on it for a little while. So I thought I would just try it on the Audi today and go around the whole car and give it some protection. The Audi has not even been drove on the road. We got the car back from wrap and I think about 2 weeks later, a week or 2 weeks later, lockdown was put in force, so I haven't even drove the car. So it's not dirty. I have washed it and put it away and it's outside now. And I moved it outside, so it's just sitting in the driveway ready to get some wax put onto it. And then I'm just going to give you my opinion on airplane, boat wax and what I actually thought of it and how easy it was to use and if it was good. My friend that recommended it swore by it and he is like really into his detailing, so I'm just going to give it a go. It's going to be a little bit of a different video today. I'm still waiting on some products coming. I have ordered some of the EZ, I'm not sure what way you're supposed to say it, but I've ordered some of the EZ, I'm going to call it Kare, and I've ordered some other wax as well. What I'm thinking about doing is like I done with the Mad Cow bundle, which was supposed to be £145 down to £30. I'm going to try and find a lot of those bargains and a lot of those big price drops that claim to be good products. I have two products coming. I have the EZ bundle coming, which was half price, and I've also got a wax coming, which was supposed to be £100 and it's down to 20. So I'm a little bit skeptical when it comes to that, and I think some companies try to rip us off. So those videos are coming up. If you are interested, stick around, hit the subscribe button, and they will be up as soon as I get those products. So anyway, it says the ideal finishing wax for your marine vehicles, automobiles or aircrafts. The blend of synthetic waxes consistently deliver a long-lasting, high-gloss protective finish. Its hard texture and high melting point creates a tough film that provides not only a high-gloss finish but resistance to wear from heat, water and other natural causes. And obviously we want to keep the wrap as well as we can. Since I paid so much money to get it done, I really want to keep it in the best condition I can. And then it goes on to say it's great for all painted chrome, stainless steel, fiberglass and clear coated surfaces found in marine, aircraft and automotive finishes. It is easy to use and easy to wipe off, which is what I like in a product. I don't want to be standing outside panicking that I can't get it off my wrap. So yeah, that's exactly what I need. So directions: on a clean surface, use a clean and soft cloth to apply the wax in an overlapping circular pattern to create a uniform film. Allow to dry for 15 to 30 minutes. And wipe off residue with a soft cloth, then buff to create high gloss, hard and slick protection. My neighbour just walked by. He was just staring in the door at me talking to the camera. So yeah, I'm assuming like my older neighbours don't really understand the whole YouTube thing and he's probably wondering why I'm just sitting here talking to myself. But anyway, so I'm just going to give it a go and see how we get on. So I know it does say on the tub to do it in a circular motion, but I've always been scared doing circular motions in case I would leave swirl marks in the paint. I'm not too sure how easy it is to leave marks on a wrap, but I don't want to take any chances. So a cool little fact about wrap is that if it's in direct sunlight or if it has heat applied to it, it should take away any marks left on the paint. Put it this way, I won't be putting it to the test anytime soon. In the reflection of the car, it looks like I am applying butter to the paintwork. Although I don't know what the results would be like if you did use butter. And how many of you guys want to go and wax your car now after watching someone else do theirs? I find it so addictive watching these videos. Okay, so I was going to do one section at a time on the Audi. I waited for the bonnet to haze a little bit, and it's not hazing that quick. It does say on the tub to leave it for 15 to 30 minutes to let it do whatever it has to do. So I've just ran around the whole car, as you will have seen in those few clips. I'm just going to wait a little while longer, and then I'm going to take it off and see how easy it is to get off. It was super easy to put on. And Ryan's home, so he's going to help me take it off with his nice little blue microfiber. So as you guys can see, the water behaviour is really good. I really wasn't expecting it to be just so good. I know some of you may think that it's because of the leather wrap in the car that the water runs off. Anytime I have washed the Audi, the water doesn't run off. It sort of runs off a little bit and it stays on, and it doesn't really bead or anything. So it's not to say that the wrap is what's making the water run off. It's definitely this wax. Now guys, I am so impressed with how this has worked. I'm almost tempted to try on the Passat, and that would be a proper good test to see what it's like. The Audi has had no other products on it apart from this. I've literally not done anything else with it. I haven't sprayed wax, I haven't put any wax on it. So the reason the water was running off is definitely down to this wax. Now this is made by Big White, never heard of it before. I'll put a link down below of where we bought it from. Like it says here, it does the job. I am really impressed, guys. I assume because it's for boats, that's why the water is running off it. I'm assuming that's the whole point of it. But if you want a really good wax, definitely check this out. I can't believe the results. And like I say, I'm going to try it on the Passat and see how it works, and I'll maybe just add it in at the end, a quick panel of what it looks like. As you know, the Passat is in the worst condition ever, so it'll be a really good test to see how the water runs off, but I'll just add it in after the end. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried boat wax or airplane wax or aircraft wax on your car, and let me know if the results were as good as the results I have on the Audi. It was super easy to put on, super easy to take off. There was very little residue left after I done the whole car with the microfiber. I went over it with a clean microfiber as I always would, but it definitely was so easy to get off. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you are going to try it out or try a similar one. I'm really interested to know what you guys are thinking right now. I'm going to try it on the Passat super quick because I need to go and pick up the Mini. The exhaust was just put on, but well, that's another video. So I'm going to do it really quick on Passat and let you see now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe, and I will see you in the next one.